Indus Valley Civilization. These three words are in news and memes continuously in this week. But in today's video, we are going to talk about why Pakistanis are so desperate about claiming Indus Valley Civilization as their own and how their own documents contradict it. Let's start by having a brief introduction of Indus Valley Civilization. IVC 2600 BCE से 1900 BCE में नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट ऑफ इंडियन सबकॉन्टिनेंट में फ्लॉरिश करती है। अभी आप स्क्रीन पर IVC का मैप देख रहे हैं। द मेन फीचर्स जो इंडस वैली सिविलाइजेशन की है, इट इंक्लूड्स वेल प्लान्ड सिटीज़ एंड स्ट्रीट्स इन ग्रिड पैटर्न, एडवांस ड्रेनेज सिस्टम एंड पब्लिक पाथ्स, houses built on baked bricks and their scriptures. बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली 1900 BCE में IVC का डिक्लाइन स्टार्ट हुआ एंड रिसर्च के अकॉर्डिंग इसके डिक्लाइन के कई कारण हो सकते हैं विच इंक्लूड्स क्लाइमेट चेंज, चेंज इन रिवर पैटर्न एंड सम अदर एनवायरमेंटल फैक्टर्स। ये आजकल न्यूज़ और न्यूज़ में क्यों है? इट्स बिकॉज ऑफ इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी। इंडस वाटर ट्रीटी के बारे में हम सबको ऑपरेशन सिंदूर के बाद तो पता ही चल रहा है और ये सारी कथा जो आजकल हो रही है इसी ट्रीटी के अबाइंस के चलते हैं। In order to show their rights on the Indus water, they have played this card of accepting IVC as their own, because some sites of Indus Valley civilization comes inside the geographical boundary of Pakistan. But before claiming that
we are the people of the Indus Valley civilization, our identification.
They have conceptualized their identity under the regime of Afghans according to the Muslim League's document. Pakistan has constantly weaponized its educational curriculum to push the idea that it is an ideological Islamic state and has no links to its past. Finally, the basis of Pakistani nationality is Kalma Tawheed, the word of unification of oneness of God instead of ethnicity and land. It categorically rejects every aspect of their land, culture and heritage to establish a religious state. They cannot claim over any civilization that resides in their geographical boundary. To conclude it as an Indian, I just want to add that heritage is not reassigned by geography alone. It lives through preserved tradition and practices. Also would like to add that sites like Mohenjo-daro faces challenges from environmental damages and conservation gaps. India maintains extensive IVC excavations and projections through ASI, as well as living its cultural expression. Just want to end it with the quote,